My name is Alfredo Ramirez. I am the Director of Operation Analysis and I work for the Tennessee Department of Health. My role as the Director of Operation Analysis within the Department of Health is to identify opportunities for improvement within the business side of the department. So some of the challenges we were facing before we identified Caspio as a solution was everyone's working in various Access databases, spreadsheets, and trying to reconcile information and reporting coming out differently. We chose Caspio primarily for pricing. We have over 3,000 employees who will be accessing the system, and so with a per person pricing or licensing structure, it was too cost ineffective. The first application we developed with Caspio was an invoice tracking system, which was previously done using 3 or 4 different spreadsheets managed by 3 or 4 different employees. So reconciling that information was very difficult and time consuming. Basically, we went from managing 3 or 4 employees having to track the invoices received to only 1 employee. One of the projects we built in Caspio, it originally cost the state over $100,000. With Caspio, it was half the amount, and Caspio was able to solve a multitude of problems. We have built out several different applications using Caspio, one of them being the inventory control system, a contract tracking and management system, a budget tracking and management system, as well as a space planning and management application as well. So the amount of taxpayers' money we saved using Caspio can be measured in terms of employees' time. For instance, with the contract tracking application, a work that was performed by 8 employees is now performed by just 2. Caspio has benefited the department a great deal, mainly with the way we handle our financial information now. Using Caspio, we're able to accurately track our budgets, our expenditures at the granular level that we need to track it at.